What is up, D-Squad? It is your boy Asma here, back with another React video. This is right after my Walking Dead Overkill's reaction trailer, along with uh, Clementine's last season trailer, where I react to all the Overkill's Walking Dead trailers and Clementine's last season trailer. And this is just right after it, so I'm wearing the same shirt and whatnot. I figured might as well do this as well. This is a video I seen somebody show me recently on YouTube. It's called Extreme Cheapskates. Basically, these people out in the world are not poor-ish, but they live like they are dirt poor. Frankly, I have been almost in these people's position, except I don't do half the shit that they do. Alright? Some of this stuff is disturbing, some of it is annoying, some of it is just plain out wrong. But let's get into this. I hope I don't hang myself after the end of this video. Truth be told, I'll hang myself. Oh, thank you, Tim. I was just checking out a notification on YouTube, and a guy named Tim just commented on my video of Dying Light the Pit, exploring unexplored locations. If you haven't seen that, it's been posted recently. Go check it out. Hell the fuck up. So, you're taking a lint from a dryer, and you're making cotton swabs out of it. Okay, that's just wrong. Okay? Wouldn't you get like a rash from it? I mean, it is pocket lint. It has been in your pockets. Second of all, why the hell are you rationing out laundry detergent with a needle? Aren't you afraid of, like, oh, I don't know, dropping it in the washing machine? Or, one of your kids getting a hold of it? You gotta think, woman. Second of all, that laundry detergent is not enough to wash a whole freaking basket load of clothes. Example. That big old basket over there, that laundry detergent she's using is not enough to wash a freaking load of clothes that dang big. Okay? That's bull. Okay? That is bull. She cannot be using that much, barely a squirt of laundry detergent. That's not enough to clean a whole basket load of clothes. I'm sorry, but that's bullshit. Okay, if you're using lint for makeup, I'm pretty sure you'd get a little bit of an itchy rash on your face or skin. Okay? I mean, where it's been such a pocket all day and collecting it, I'm pretty sure you might end up with a rash. Okay, woman, sanitation. Do you not see the coronavirus going out? Did you not hear what Donald Trump said. He said everything's gotta be sanitized. And frankly, your lifestyle is not open. Okay, depends on how long she uses the light bulb. I mean, if she uses it for like an hour, maybe 30 minutes, that light bulb's gonna be scalding fucking hot. So how the hell does she not burn her fucking hands when unscrewing the damn thing? Light bulbs have electricity, and electric all puts out all kinds of heat. Quote from Kate in Trimmers 2. That electronic gear puts off all kinds of heat. Durr. So how the hell are you not burning your fingers or palms of your hands? I mean, it's kind of a smart tactic to save on electricity by doing this. Kind of. I'm not saying it is. But I ain't that desperate for saving money. Alright? In my book, if I wanted to save money on electricity, I would just turn off the light switches and not use them, unless I had to. But going from room to room with one light bulb, you gotta be fucking tired after all that. Plus, how long you're using it could end up burning the shit out of your fingers. You gotta think ahead, woman. Okay, she has a lot of fucking money saved up, and she's a freaking nurse at a doctor's office. Dude, she should be loaded. Why in the fuck is she being so damn cheap with the lights? I mean, being a nurse right now, I'm pretty sure she's getting paid good at the end of this. With all the hard work she's doing at a doctor's office, I'm pretty sure she'd be getting loaded with cash. And yet, she's still living like a cheapskate. No, 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 no. Not happening. Okay? If I was living in this woman's house, I would have hanged myself already. Because death looks like a better option than living in that hellhole. First of all, if I'm going to take a shower, it's going to be a full fucking shower. It ain't going to be no 2 minute slut or navy shower, if that's what you call it. You call it a navy shower, I call it a not a full shower, okay? You need a hell of a lot more time when taking a damn shower. She's a fucking nurse. She should have a lot of fucking money. Why the hell is she being cheap on water? I mean, come on, dude. Okay, a 2 minute shower? If I was living in this woman's house, I would already hung myself. Because death seems like a hell of a lot of better option than living in this woman's hellhole. First of all, I need a hell of a long shower. Alright? At least a 5 to 10, maybe 15-minute shower for me. I don't do no 2 minute showers, lady. And then rubbing the soap, okay, and then rinsing it off. I'm not a fucking plate lady. You don't just put water on me, put soap on me, and then put water on me again. No, no, I don't. No, no. No. I refuse. No. I do not do any kind of shower like that. I'd be asking you to shoot me in the head if I was going through this hell. Bruh, I'm surprised you ain't left this crazy ass bitch already. Alright, she's crazy enough to where she don't want to spend any money, yet she is loaded with cash, and she she forces you to go through this shit. I'd have said, lady, if you ain't got the nerve to spend a little bit of money on necessities in life, then you're just a plain out crazy hoe. Exactly. And yet you're still going through with this shit. Congratulations, she made you her bitch. Basically, he's a prisoner in a household. I feel so sorry for this ma'am. Oh. Mm, 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 no. No. Not gonna happen to me. Uh-uh. Alright. I'd rather starve to death. In fact, that's probably what her family does. Reusable boiling water. So basically, you're telling us normal folks, okay? She ain't normal. Alright, a normal person wouldn't put her family through this kind of hell. You're telling us folks that that is clean, usable water? No. I'd be asking you to shoot me in the head. You use that water for what? Hot dogs? Spaghetti? Lasagna? It is gross. It's not going to be good. It's not going to be tasty. That is going to be some sour ass water, okay? I would be asking you to kill me. Just take a knife and just slit my throat. Chunky boiling water. Mm-mm, no. No. Somebody just kill me. I'd be asking somebody to kill me. Okay, now you just being a bitch. The longer you ask, the longer she's going to keep it. How old is that damn water? And second of all, why the hell is she putting her family through this kind of shit? Ugh, she's feeding this to her children. Somebody call CPS on this woman. I would never want to call CPS on anyone except maybe an exception for this woman. Mm-mm. Not me. No. No. I don't know. Sure, it's alright to have scraps left over for later, but when you put the sauce that you are already eaten back into a jar, along with the ranch that's already been eaten off of, back into a jar, and end up giving that to someone to use? That's just unsanitary, woman. You are just messed up. You. You. You have money and she has money and yet you're still going with this? How the hell have you not left her ass yet? I'm pretty sure if I was in this guy's shoes, I would have left her. And if I couldn't leave her, you would have found my ass cowering behind a freaking dumpster with a Subway sub. I'm just saying, I would rather have left her and feel sad than to go through that hell, or to cower behind a dumpster with a Subway sub that I bought recently. I mean, I'd rather go out and leave her, but if I couldn't, that's what you most likely find me doing. I know. Bruh, with only like four, maybe $600 for me and my family, that's enough for a whole month. Alright? For three or four people, that's enough for a whole month, and yet she's still making them go through hell. In fact, at the end of the month, you might just have a little pocket change left. And yet she's still making her family go through this shit. Okay, is there a problem with a football party? I mean, depends on who you're inviting. If it's somebody you hate, like somebody that has stolen something or destroyed your property or said something really, really, really nasty about you, then I'd understand why you're hateful. But if you're just inviting them over, you don't have to be necessarily a stick in the mud for that. You begged her on your hands and knees for people to come over? Bruh, I feel sorry for you. Oh, I like that face he was giving her. He's looking at her like, I'm about to choke the fuck out of this hoe. That is the face I would be giving her. I'd be like, I despise you. Okay. Okay, I understand the concept of this. She only wants to pay for what she's going to eat, not what she's going to eat. I can kind of understand that, but you gotta think about your family too. What if they want grapes? What if they want something? And you're eating the same thing. What if they want something? You know, you can't just think about yourself. Who eats the whole banana? The banana inside the peel itself is what people eat, not the peel. So that really doesn't make much sense for you to take the peel off. I mean, why are you taking the peel off? Wow, $3 per shopping trip. $3, I could buy a loaf of bread at the dollar store. Oh, she's gonna kill her family. They're all gonna be poisoned by this woman. Why is she wanting scraps or something that's about to spoil? This is something I wouldn't want anyone to go through. Why do you want the beef fat? That's basically a heart attack and a handful right there. Why are you happy about this? You're risking your kids and your boyfriend and yourself to have heart problems in the future just digesting fat. In the future, you will have heart problems because of that. I'm pretty sure you would have better health issues just by getting the ground beef itself. I'm just saying. No! 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 Nobody discriminates a lasagna like this. I love lasagna, alright? And when you disgrace it by putting fat in it when fused with the meat, that's when you start twisting with my food heritage. Because I am not only part Irish, Australian, I'm also part Italian. And I love lasagna and spaghetti. And when you ruin it like this, that's when you begin to piss me off. No, no. Toss that shit out the fucking window. I would not touch that. This bitch about to put the damn lasagna in the fucking dishwasher. That's what ovens are for, ya dumb broad. You don't put the frickin' lasagna in the dishwasher. Alright? You are basically gonna kill your family. Why are you putting them through this? I mean, you're a nurse, you make quite a bit of money. You have money, your boyfriend has money, and yet you still force them to go through this kind of hell. Woman, you deserve to have no children. The way you put your family through this kind of hell, I'm surprised the CPS ain't came and knocking on your door yet. I'm surprised the CPS ain't watching this and coming to this woman's door. I know if I was working with CPS and I seen this video, I'm pretty sure I'd have a good case built. I mean, I can kind of understand a little bit of food bit there, and not the part where she's cooking it or saving what they've eaten off the plates, like the sauces and stuff. That part I didn't understand, but like buying the fruit and stuff. I mean, she's only buying what she's gonna eat, not what she's gonna eat. It's confusing. I know. And kind of part of the light bulb switch, but she could have a different alternative to just having like one light bulb on in a house at a time. Like, not switching it, but like, using the light when you have to. Instead, she makes her family go through hell. I'd rather use the oven. Food would get done way faster. It'd taste a hell of a lot better-ish. Well, not her lasagna. She put goddamn animal fat in it. That's when you hang me. If someone tried to feed me this slop, I'd be asking them to pass me the noose. Here's a nice, healthy plate of animal fat lasagna. That seems like a better option than living in this woman's hellhole. I'm just saying. So you're set. So you're telling me that you cook fish and hot dogs and lasagna in the dishwasher? I'd be asking you to shoot me. How are these people not sick from this? Why is she making you go around with a damn candle? And second, if you knew she's cheap and she's gonna make you walk around with a candle, couldn't you just bring a flashlight? I mean, y'all have phones, don't you? Don't they come equipped with a little flashlight? Or even the light on the screen would work as a good little portable light. It'd be a little bit of a better alternative than using that little dim candle. You can hear that kid in the background. Ew! Kid, if I were you, I'd get out of there. Zigzag and bolt out the window. That kid, is it good? The kid going, and the guy going, I'm surprised you ain't left this woman yet. I mean, yeah, have money. She has money and a very good job that pays well. Yet she makes you go through this.
You get you something to eat?
Yeah, yeah, I ate earlier. That was my Uncle Randall. But yeah, why the hell is she making her family go through this kind of stuff? In my book, I would have left her. And if I couldn't leave her, I would have been hiding behind a dumpster with a $5 Subway sub that I bought recently, and I'd be chowing down on it like a hungry dog. What they need is one of those sad kid commercials, like a St. Jude commercial or Help Save the Sad Kids or Dogs commercial, except it'd show her family. That's how sad she's putting them through. And in my book, she's a freaking she-devil. I mean, sure, she may look innocent, she may sound innocent, but what she is putting her family through, I'm surprised the boyfriend hasn't called CPS, got her kids out of there, and left her ass. I mean, if she's got a lot of good money, he's got a lot of good money, and yet somehow he's putting up with this, and she's got a good job that pays good, and yet she's putting her family through this horrible, horrible, slow hell of a prison. I would have left her. This is Dallas May, signing off.